Hey everyone, I'm Arshit and you're watching Current Tech Arrows English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for editing technical videos like this. So let's get started. Today I'm gonna continue our portfolio with Python series. So guys, we are here at our series and we have built this and we have to build this. So guys, in this video I'm gonna build this gallery section. So let's start it. So guys, firstly let me see, it is at the downside of the my skill section. Yeah, it is at the downside, so we have to write the code here, but wait, we have this here, then we have to make it above the work with us page. So we have this title, so we have to make it above this. So let's make it. Guys, firstly you have to write st.title for creating title, then simply write gallery. Then guys, you have to write this, you have to create 3 columns here, then again 3 columns, as much as you want. You have to hard code them, so just like this, st dot columns 3. So right now we are just getting 3 columns, so let's write here with column 1, st dot image, then let's write assets gallery 1. Now guys, see, we get then 2, 3 and 4, you have to write this 4. Then we have just 6 images, so we can write it like this. Then we can copy and paste it. So guys, after this you have to write column 2 and column 3. So after that 1 then 2, and 4 after 5, then 3, then 8, not 8, sorry, 6. Now let's see. So we get it. Right now my photos are not equal, so that's why it's like this, but you have to make your photos equal. Right now I have hard coded them and make the size equal, but right now I don't have images like them. Let's do one thing. You can define the width as 200. So it is working, I think. Let's copy it and paste it here. Make sure your images are equal, then you don't have to do this stuff. Right now it is adjusted a bit more. We have to adjust a bit more, just a bit more. So guys, let's write here Windows plus E. It will open your Explorer. Then write the path. Right now I have this path of my original portfolio. Portfolio mine. This one. So let's go here. Here you will get this much, and guys, I have to copy this asset, then we have to paste that in our gallery. So we can simply paste it like this. then guys we will have the equal size images, and if I will refresh it, then guys see the magic, and guys you will get this kind of interface, and this is such an amazing thing. So we have to make something more than our portfolio will be completely created. And guys, in this video I also want to add one thing. So that thing is gonna be this wave colon. This will change the icon like this favicon. So we get it. And if you want to also change this logo, then you can also write it like this. If you have not able to find this, then you can simply write wave colon. Then let's see. Okay, you will get it like this. So how is this looking like? Now we have to make two things. The first thing, making work our chatbot, and next thing is our sidebar. So we will complete them in our next two videos. So that's it guys, this is the video. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video.